What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today we are going to talk about Weblium. Weblium is another free website builder which I'm going to show you how can you go ahead and create a free website on Weblium. Now, I've already created two videos for two other free website creators. If you have not checked that, you can go ahead and check out my playlist. There is a create free website creators is the playlist. Anyway, coming to Weblium, as you see, let's have a look basically what exactly is Weblium. It's an AI powered site builder. Basically, it's not you don't need a coding language learning about this particular software. It's basically gonna do everything for you. Now, as you see on the screen, let's come over here and check out the features what Weblium offers. Now, coming to the features, it has Smart Design Supervisor. Basically, it's going to offer you a lot of templates and you can go ahead and select the templates whichever you want. The moment you go ahead and make the changes in the template, the Smart Designer Supervisor, it's automatically going to enhance it as per the look and feel, as per the best practices basically you want on your website to be. It's a mobile friendly website that you get. It's for the free version, you get a mobile friendly website. Nowadays that a lot of people are going ahead and browsing the internet through their mobile phones and not using the desktops anymore. So that's a really cool feature. It's a responsive website that you'll get. And you don't have to, as I said, you don't have to worry about any technicalities. Basically, it's all being taken care of by Weblium. Coming to the pricing point, so it offers you a free plan version, as you see, and there's a pro and there's a landing pro. So pro version is going to cost you like $8.25 per month, that is, and there's a one-time deal that it offers. It's for $196, but I would go ahead and highly recommend that you go for the free version. Let's have a look what are the features that it offers. I'm sorry, in the free version. So it offers you 200 plus ready to use templates, an AI designer supervisor, unlimited storage. That's a really cool feature, because whenever the moment you want to upload any particular videos or high resolution images, it's gonna be very beneficial. Apart from that, it also offers you the SSL certificate, so it's a secured website that you get. In the free version, you won't get the event tracking features, multiple contributors, and free domain. That's something very obvious. In case you want to go ahead and buy a custom domain, you will have to buy that domain and then go ahead and integrate it on the particular website. Well, without any delay, let's get started on how to create the website. But before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on creating such kind of videos on a regular basis, and that would just give you the productivity tools. I mean, basically to increase your digital productivity. These are the tools which I help you out with. So in order to create, like, you just need to go ahead and click on this start for free button over here, and it will land you on this particular page. Now I've already created an account, but just to show you the login feature, how does it work. So it offers, basically you can go ahead and log in through your social media accounts or your Google accounts. I personally go ahead and always log in with my Google accounts. It's just easy that way, and you don't have to remember the passwords, the logins and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna click here on the login with Google thing. It's taking some time for loading. In case you want to go ahead and chat with people, that is on this bottom right corner. I don't know if you're able to see, but on the right bottom corner, there is a chat option which is available. And so I created, as I said, I already have an account, so I've already signed in through my Google templates, and this is what basically it's gonna land you on. So these are the templates you can actually go ahead and select from. Now I come from a marketing background, so I'm gonna go ahead and select an advertising and marketing template altogether. But if you're from real estate, it offers you the real estate templates. It's a fashion beauty store. Then there is a store templates which you get. Apart from that, there is government and non-profit organization portfolio, you can go ahead and discover those templates. These are really cool templates that I found. So coming to the marketing and advertising templates, let's say for example, I go ahead with this for example. So you can go ahead and preview it, or you can click on the preview option over there just to check out what are the pages that the template offers and what are the features that you get with the template. And editing this particular templates are really easy. So the first thing you go ahead and get is how it's going to look on a mobile device. You can go ahead and change it clicking on this particular tabs over here. It is also a tablet view that you will get. Then there is a desktop view. Let's see what are the features. So this is what the landing page is going to be if I select this particular template and send request. This is about the team page, and there is about the stats, what this particular agency has done. Like I can go ahead and put my highlights into the into the particular website. Then this is what are the services. Here's what we offer: the copywriting and content management. This is basically a copywriting agency template that I've chosen. And then below there is a send request in case if you want to get in touch with them, and the basic about us thing, that who are the founders and what are the things that they have done. Apart from that, there are the costings which have been shared. Now this is a one page or particular template. Let me just quickly go back and show you how can you check that. So as you see over here, it shows one page templates for this one. There is a 3-pager template. This is a new template actually which has been recently added. Apart from that, you will, if you scroll down below, you'll get 5-pager, you get 6-pager, 6-pager, 8-pager. So based on the number of pages that you want your website to be, you can go ahead and select that. I personally like the 1-pager ones because they are much more easy, and it's just navigating on one single page. I'm going to go ahead and click on the start editing. So I like this particular template, and it's pretty, I like the colors also. It's a good combination of purple and yellow over there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start editing. Once you go ahead and start editing this particular template, so this is the website, this is the template that you have chosen for. It will just load for some time. For some reason Weblium is a bit slow. But in terms of like when you make the website, it's not going to be slow. Of course, it has a lot of data over there. So that is the reason probably it's loading a bit slower. Alright, so this is how it's going to look once you click on that start editing button over there. It's going to give you this top tips for launching the website, and add a site page, connect to a domain. It's basically a tutor that you're going to get. These are the best practices whenever you go ahead and try to create a website. These are the best practices you should go ahead and integrate on your website. But I'm just going to click on the no. In case if you want to go ahead and check out what those particular practices were, this is the useful tip. You just have to click on this particular icon here, and it's going to show you those tips again. For now, let's just move this thing. Alright, so this is the template. For example, if you have went ahead with, it's pretty easy to edit any particular template on Weblium. You can just click, like for example, if this is your logo, you can go ahead and just click on it, and it will give you an option whether you want to make it huge or minimize or maximize the logo. In case if you want to go ahead and update your own logo, which you will definitely want to, you can go ahead and upload it. Like you definitely need to make a PNG file or background, like basically a file which doesn't have a background, a transparent background, and you can go ahead and upload it from here. There are other settings that it gives. Basically it's gonna be an image or it's gonna be a text. In case if you just don't have an image, you can go ahead and just add that particular text, whatever the name of your company is, or whatever the name of your blog is, for a matter of fact. Coming to the behavior factor, it's going to give you the authority to, for example, when a user clicks on this particular button over here, what is the thing that the logo should do. It's opening the same website, or you can go ahead and open a particular page or a particular landing page. You can also add a web address here in case if you want to go ahead and direct the user to somewhere else. So this was the way you can edit the logo. Coming to the header part of it, it already gives you these five header options. That is about us, services, testimonials, FAQs, and contact. In case if you want to go ahead and edit, the same is the process. You need to click on the menu icon over here. Now, as we see, this is an about us, services, testimonials, and FAQs. Now it gives you the first thing. Let's go ahead and check out is layout. Either you want a horizontal one or you want a vertical layout. So it has changed basically to vertical one. Let's just keep it horizontal. Coming to the text style, you can go ahead and again customize it as per what you want. Font size should be more or font size should be less or whatever. Coming to the default one, I think it was 17. This is pretty good. Alright, there is a text color that you get an access. So in case if you want to go ahead and add some different color, hover the color. Like for example, if this is going to change, let me just make it a yellow. And it automatically saves, so you don't have to actually, the moment you make any particular changes, you don't have to click on save button. It automatically saves for you. Let's see what it does now. Apart from that, I don't know why this color hover is not working out, but maybe it, okay, let me just click on preview. This preview is going to take a bit of time. Alright, so I think this is the preview mode wherein the website is not loading. Quite strange. Oh, it's not the website, it's my computer. And this is the desktop view which is not loading. So yeah, this is the preview mode. Now as I change that hover part over here, whenever I'm hovering on a particular element, it's changing to yellow. You can go ahead, and that was just a slight thing. Coming forward, it's going to ask you, you can go ahead and customize whatever the text you want. So you just need to click on the text and you will be able to start editing. Apart from that, there is a send request button over here, so it automatically, like in case if you want to go ahead and edit the send request button, you just click on that and it will give you few options like what exactly is it supposed to do for once the user clicks on the particular button. Now in case if you want the person to go on the header, you can just click on the header over here. They want to go and cover, meet us, we offer, or testimonials section on the website, you can go ahead and click on that. But in case if you don't have that kind of a way, you can also go ahead and make it do other things like click action is scroll to block. Change this to, in case if you have a different page like a contact us page, so you can go ahead and open, like click on this open page over here and just check the contact us page over here. Apart from that, you can also add a manual web address. So in case if you want to go ahead and redirect the user to some other website altogether, you can go ahead and do that. It also offers the design part of it. So how do you want the button to look, like a secondary, a link, or stuff like that. I think this is much more better. Below that, there is the button size options where you can choose what size you want. And there's an icon part over here, that is this arrow. So if you want that particular icon, or if you don't want that icon, you can go ahead and change that. Also, you can go ahead and decide which side of the particular button you want that particular arrow to be, and you can change the icon yourself by uploading a different icon altogether, which again should be a PNG file. Apart from that, it gives you the animation option, so dynamic appearance of elements on scroll. Basically, when your user scrolls down, how you want the animation to be there, like you want it to come like this, you want a zoom in feature, and it also allows you to give that speed, whether you want it slow or fast or a normal one, or whatever, and where basically it's like a slideshow option that we do on PowerPoint. So where you want it to appear from, right, left, center, whatever. Let's just click on left and click on that. Apart from that, you can go ahead and change this particular name of the menu over here, but I just find it a bit quirky, so I'm just going to keep it the same way. Apart from that, you can go ahead and change the content. You can just copy and just paste the content whatever you want. And again, there are some options that you get apart from, like for example, if you want this particular any businesses, you want to add a link to this, you will just select that particular thing and just add your link. So the moment a user clicks on that particular link, is going to get redirected to that website, whatever you want to add. Coming below, there are this particular images. You can again select as per the size as you want, or you can go ahead and upload your custom images that you want to go ahead and put it over there. Coming to this part, it's again the same. You will just have to click on this particular text option over here and you can start editing whatever you want. Then the real cool feature I liked about this was it's basically the same, like coming below, it's gonna be the same, like the same way you can go ahead and edit and stuff like that. What I wanted to show you was a really cool one. Another thing So another thing, in case if you want to add another button over here, send a request, still have questions, or write to us probably. So you can just click on the settings button over here and you can add another button over here. So and that particular button you can go ahead and edit as per whatever you want. Just need to click on the button here. Like let's say I'm going to make it write to us. Forget about the grammar part. Alright, and you can change this icon and stuff the similar way I showed it to you in the like previously. Coming to the part, so this is like, for example, if you want to go ahead and share a particular checklist on, like for example, if you're a blogger and if you want to go ahead and share a checklist with your users who are coming on your website, and if you want to go ahead and share the PDF file or any particular Google sheet or anything, basically you can upload a file here. So basically, if you say that here are my top 5 things that I recommend for a new YouTuber or a new blogger or stuff like that, you can just click on this button here, download PDF, and it allows you other settings. So the button name is download PDF. You can go ahead and change it as per your requirement. Click action is basically open page right now, but we are going to make it file download. So the moment you click on this file download, the user will be able to download a particular file. Now, how do you do that? You will have to select a particular file, and it also gives you the stats over here. Like maximum file upload size is supposed to be 200 MB, and the formats which you can go ahead and upload are docs, Excel, XLX, PPT, PDF, JPEG, PNG, and stuff like that. So that's a really cool feature. Apart from that, it also allows you the button click tracking, but I think that is in the pro version, so you'll have to actually go for a pro version in case if you want to understand how many people have clicked on that particular button. And so once you do that, once you make all the changes, the content and stuff like that, in case if you want to add, like as I said in the beginning that this is a one page of website. Now in case if you want to add another page, you can just click on this left menu over here. Right now we have this particular copywriting agency, and with this icon you can just click on this add page option over here, and it is going to add another page for you. It also provides you the SEO and general settings, what you want to go ahead and give. Like for example, if a user is searching for your website on Google, what is the name that should appear on Google? There is SEO options you can explore. There is a page title and description it gives you. Apart from that, you can add the keywords which are relevant to your blog, and blog search indexing, I don't think that is required. Coming below is it's another link that you can add. Basically, what is the link that the user is going to see over here? You see the link of the website. Basically, it's not another link, it's your own website link that you will have to paste it here, and it's going to look like this. Apart from that, there is social network. So for example, if you share your website address on social network platforms, how does it look? And this is a Facebook preview that we are seeing, but you can go ahead and change it as per what you want. There's an image, upload file, and find in gallery. So you can add the images and it saves into your gallery, and that's how you change it. Once you are done with everything, you just need to go ahead and click on publish. Now, the moment I click on publish, it's going to say, hold on, we are publishing your website. Yeah, in order to go ahead and set up your own domain, you would need to go ahead and buy the upgraded version, that is a pro plan. But in case if you are coming out with a stock photography website, or just a marketing website, or just a landing page, I think this is pretty much it to go, because wherever you want to go ahead and share that link, you can just convert this particular link into a bit.ly and share that. And I'm just going to click on this copy link. So this is the link for my website. Copy this, paste it here. And this is how my website looks. This is a free version of Weblium. So it's gonna give you at the end, it's gonna give you dot whatever. For example, it's my name, The Bearded Geek. So it's gonna give you thebeardedgeek.weblium.site. That is the domain it's gonna provide you. And we were able to see that quick animation of that button. I'm just reloading that. So it's pretty cool that way. Another factor which you're gonna get with Weblium is it's gonna give you this ad of Weblium. The site was made with Weblium, and I think it's okay that way, because not most of the website visitors are concerned about whether it's a paid or a free version, as far as your website is giving a good content. So I think that is pretty much of it. Let me just check whether I have missed on anything else. No, I think that is, yeah. Another factor I wanted to share was this header part. So you can either make this page, this particular header appear on all of your website pages. So you just click on this link option here, and you get an option of show on all pages or hide on all pages. And another thing which I had here is you can also change the layout, animation, and of this particular header. So you can make the header transparent, or you don't want to do that, or you can go make it a sticky header which will appear. Like for example, if I make this sticky, it's going to stay with me. Oops. Sorry, I published the website, so I will again have to click on publish, and that's how it's going to make the changes. Click on copy, paste. Now the moment that's refresh. So as you see, the header has become sticky, so this is how it's gonna be with me for all the pages that I go on. And that was basically my tutorial about how can you create a free website using Weblium. If you like this video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that. I'll be back with another